What's up, Baras? We at the spot. Got my lovely girlfriend here today. We're gonna try to catch a fish. Twin power, bubble, grub, classic action. She even got her tobbies today, bro. What the hell, dude? She's freaking ready. And there's a freaking monk seal over there. Gotta watch out for that. It's a freaking fatty. But anyway, let's try to catch a papil. It's all bust, bro. We're trying to big ass shit right here, dude. I don't have the right hook to rig it, but we can rig it right through the eye. I don't know. Just like so. It matches up if he bites this. Find out.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Nothing big today, but can't complain when we have views like this. You know what I'm saying? And quality time with my dog and girlfriend. Till next time.